Hello, I'm Jeremy with The Window Experts. Today I wanted to show you how to make a seamless door pan. The issue is most people will take their pan, make a snip there, make a snip there, and they'll fold that corner like you're supposed to, which is good, but now you have this seam right here. They'll fill it with caulking, bend this one around. Some people will pop rivet it, but you still have that seam right there. That's the challenge. You hope that it seals well with the caulking, but you never know. We figured out how to do it seamless. I've done one here. See how this corner's folded? There is no cut seam here. We folded that piece around. And I'm going to show you how to build one. So here's how you make this seamless corner. You want to come up however much you measured, at least a ½ inch or so. So I'm going to bend that back down a little bit right there. I'm going to snip that how much I'm going to bend that up. Then I'm going to bend this whole part up to a 90 degree. A little bit more. Okay, then we got that. So now, because I don't want to cut that seam, I want this to be seamless, I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to fold this back up to the 90 degree. So now I got this 90 back, and I got this 90 back. So now I have this extra piece here. I'm going to smash that together like that. Then I'm going to fold it around. So you could fold it either way, but sometimes this is visible inside the house. It may not get covered, usually it does. But just in case, I might as well fold it over to the side this way. So I'm going to bring that around like that and just crimp it. Get it nice and flat. And now you don't have to rely on this caulking, and you have a seamless sill pan.